Day 1, the most powerful step. Today, you say no more excuses. No more junk food. No more skipping workouts. You commit to a better, healthier version of you. Day 2, clean eating starts. Today, clean eating begins. Replace sugar with fruits. White rice, switch to brown or oats. Eat boiled eggs, green vegetables, and lots of water. Your body is resetting. Day 3, first workout. It's time to move. Start with a 20-minute fat-burning home workout. Jumping jacks, mountain climbers, and planks. No gym needed, just your body, your effort. Day 4, detox and hydration. Drink 5 to 3 liters of water today. Add lemon and cucumber for detox. Flush out toxins. Your belly is slowly flattening. Day 5, cravings control. Today, the cravings will attack, but you're stronger. Eat nuts, fruits, or a spoon of peanut butter when hungry. Don't give in. Day 6, double down. You've made it halfway. Now push harder. Increase workout time to 30 minutes. Add some squats and push-ups. Your fat is burning faster now. Day 7, better sleep, better burn. Sleep is key. Get at least 7 hours tonight. A well-rested body burns more fat and heals faster. No scrolling till 2 a.m. Day 8, light dinner challenge. Keep your dinner light today. Boiled veggies, soup, or salad. Eat before 8 p.m. Your stomach needs rest, not pressure. Day 9, track your progress. Take a mirror selfie. Check your waist with a tape. Compare to day 1. You'll be surprised, because change is happening. Day 10, results and reflection. You did it. Your belly is smaller, your face looks fresher, and your energy unstoppable. This is just the beginning. Keep going, because now, nothing can stop you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment I'm starting today, and subscribe for more healthy,